Snippets allow you to create complex layouts which would otherwise be impossible in a WYSIWYG editor. To access snippets, come up to the puzzle piece icon on the toolbar. The snippets that you have to select from will appear. Many snippets have a preview, so when you click on the snippet, it'll show you what it'll create. Our most common snippet is the column snippet. I'll come down to the bottom and I'll choose the 2-column layout. The 2, 3, and 4 column snippets allow you to create columns on the page. The width of these columns are controlled by numerical values. As long as these values equal 12, you're able to adjust individually the size of each column. So for 2 even columns, we'd use the values of 6 and 6. The examples shown here show different numerical values that would allow you to adjust different column sizes. 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 4, and 3, 9 are valid column sizes because the numbers equal 12. To demonstrate, let's click Insert. When you're editing a snippet within the editor, it will appear as a table-based structure. Only the content within these cells will render out when the page is saved. To better understand the column sizes, let's change these values. So we have 6 and 6, which are equal column sizes. I'll change this to a 7, and then this to a 5. This will make the left column slightly larger than the right column. To demonstrate, I'll click Save. And as we can see here, the column on the left is slightly larger than the column on the right. We can continue the adjustment of these columns to achieve the desired page layout. The other column snippets work in the exact same way. The 3-column snippet and the 4-column snippet work on the same principle of column sizes, where the column values must equal 12. We'll click Insert, and if we want 3 equal columns, we'll just click Save. The page will take a moment to render, and then we'll see the end result. Snippets can also be nested. So for instance, we can put actually 2 columns within this 1 column here. I'll come up to the snippet icon, I'll choose 2-column, and I'll click Insert. If we need more space to work with, remember we have the option to expand the editor with this button here. Expanding the editor region will help with the more complex layouts. We'll click Save and we'll render it out. Another popular snippet is our accordion snippet. I'll insert an accordion snippet onto our page. Like our column snippet, the accordion snippet will be represented as a table-based structure. The title cell will display the title of the accordion, and the content cell will show the content when the accordion is opened. To demonstrate, I'll click Save. You can see our title cell is turned into the accordion title, and when we expand the accordion, it reveals the content. We can add accordions or remove accordions by modifying the table structure. I'll go back into the editor. To add an additional accordion in between existing rows or at the end of a row, I'll move my cursor into the table. I'll click and then right click. I'll choose the option for row, and I'll choose Insert Row After. I can then populate the fields. Most snippets will allow you to add rows, but it's important to never add columns. Adding an additional column to a snippet will most likely break it. I'll come up and hit Save, and we'll see the page render out. Snippets are an important part of the editing process when creating page layouts. Please feel free to explore the other snippets that are available using the links on this page.